Good morning for another vlog. Just woke up some time back. It's late because we slept late in the night. Today is a wedding day, so now getting ready. Mom is going to Panjim. She's going to come back, and then we are off to go to wedding. So I think we'll be back by around 4 or 5 in the evening. Family wedding, so initially we're gonna spend a lot of time. We're figuring out Ira's dress. So Ira's dress is, I think so, done. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. Mostly I'm gonna wear what I wore for my sister's wedding. Hopefully. And currently I'm gonna read newspaper, drink coffee, and decide whether I look good or not. Got ready. I'm just wearing my wedding suit. Mom is also wearing my wedding sari. All I got dressed up. We are late, and now just again rush time. We are ready. We are off. Aarti is wearing Malika's wedding sari. I am wearing our wedding sari. Ira is wearing her dress. And off we go. So we reach at the hall. Slowly, slowly. Come, slowly. Yeah, we'll reach. Now we reach. 2 more steps. Here only. खबर ना ये लोग सर्दी में सर्दी निकाल रहे हैं लाइक स्कूल हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते चल चल What is going on now? Vlog is on, man. Hello. Ira, say hi. Hello. Hi. Say hi, babu.
हम उकडून किती करता काय करो ड्रेस बी घातला आणि पूजा असली
पूरा होता क्या हां यार ये
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you? Long time.
Ready?
Who's this princess?
Say hi, babu. What you can see is back is all my chachis. Ira is all grannies. No, I'm gonna take no. So till evening we are gonna be over here. There's something happening at the Kampal ground. No idea. Ministers, mayors are there. Hey, Rapoy, tu sang. Hi, koi tu? Belated happy birthday.
घरच्या लोकांना तू लेट बरं आहे अरे झालो डिसेंबर येलो
आता आहे ना ring?
हाय बाबा
हां.
झाले रिपोर्ट झाले रेडी
आता डाउनलोड मारवा ते मी बघ 1 2 ओ This is daily vlog. मजा येता daily vlog.
चल गो हातीन दर हात धरती का तुझे हात हां चल
से हाय Who is your friend, Ira?
It's been 2 days. Mom's AC is not working, so I called a technician. Today in the morning, I just gave a call to Voltas. Not today. Yesterday in the morning, I gave a call to Voltas. Yesterday evening, I got a call from a Voltas also. After doing a complaint, they just cross-verified. In the morning, one of the authorized dealer made a call, and in the afternoon, I got a call confirmation the technician is coming, and to see the technician is on the way, is going to come in some time. I like this service right now of Tata's. Kudos to it. Technician person who had just come saw that the AC wire, I think the capacitor was fine. The only issue was that the rat was there inside and had eaten my capacitor wire. So make sure you do your proper servicing. If any fault, just give a call. Yet it was very expensive. But yes, I like the service because it just came. I could solve the issue, and the AC is working back to normal, so mom can sleep nicely in the AC. Right now it's getting cool. The main priority has been solved. Go to watch something on the TV. Finish with my editing. It's on live and the vlog is gone also. And I don't know if I'm going back to the wedding house. I don't know. I'm a little bit of tired. Eden Arti still sleeping. Maybe have a cup of coffee now. Lot of mosquitoes around. I have to do pest control. I usually do it in the month of Feb. अभी टाइम आ गया उसको. Thing is, currently at 8 o'clock और मेम साहब को बाहर जाना है खाने के लिए. Because she doesn't want to eat veg. So the thing is that we have tried, or we have tried and tested, or you can say we have eaten food on the maximum new places, and now we are bored. So we're going to our regular place, one of our friend Mayur Dhon, Edward's Yard, trying some place, or else we are trying to figure out on the path towards that restaurant Edward's Yard. If any of the restaurants is there, which is good, nice, something I want to try, which I want to show, it's eco-friendly, not eco-friendly, which is, feasible, you can say, cheap and, sasta tikau and good stuff. That's what everybody sees. So the plans to get out. I am ready. Typical, boys get ready in just one t-shirt and it's done. The same thing. House is messy. Let's see what to do. I spotted a frog at such a spot. It is so scary and spooky. I'm going to show you. Just see. Did you see going in? And I guess there will be more things inside. So I have to fill the mud on top and get that plant on top. So we end up coming to Edward's Yard. Kya durung na? Gola? So this is where Mayur Dhon stays, and that's his house back, and this is the restaurant. Go. Gonna sit for quite a long time and enjoy. Ira is also ordering. Ira, what are you ordering? See the menu card, I don't think so you can order anything. खोपड़ी में क्या जलता है? एक Ira is going to do meme. Rustam, what she has come for?
Bye bye.
She's sleeping and she's not sleeping.
It is sleeping.
You said good night, no? You say love you, ciao ciao later on, okay?
Good night, ciao ciao.
About turkey.
Good night, ciao ciao.
Just reached home and now gonna watch the Portugal match. I'm watching the halftime over there outside. And now the next halftime over here. We had a nice time outside, just three of us. I think so mom is gone out with Malika, I'm not so sure about it. But yes, now time to see our game at home, the next halftime. And maybe later going to sleep. So tomorrow going to Mapsa. Aarti got classes, I have some work, need to meet Papa. So guys, hope you like today's vlog. See you tomorrow and good night and ciao ciao.